In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram account to Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll have your Instagram connected so you can manage posts, messages, insights, and ads from one place. First, open your web browser and head to Meta Business Suite. You can also use the mobile app if you prefer, but I recommend the desktop version for an easier view of all the options. Make sure you're signed into the correct Facebook profile, and, if you manage multiple businesses, confirm you're in the right business account. You'll see a business switcher near the top or in the sidebar. Pick the one you want to work with before moving on. Next, look for settings. It's usually in the lower left corner as a small gear icon, though Meta sometimes shuffles the layout. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the left sidebar or scrolling down. Clicking Settings opens a panel where you manage people, assets, and connected accounts. Inside Settings, find the section for Instagram accounts. Depending on your layout, it may appear under Accounts or Connected Assets. Click Instagram Accounts to open the dedicated page. Here you'll see any Instagram profiles that are already linked to this business, along with their connection status. If nothing is linked yet, that's perfectly fine. We're about to add one. Now click Add. This launches the connection flow. A pop-up or side panel will ask you to sign in to the Instagram account you want to connect. Enter the credentials for that Instagram, and if you have two-factor authentication, complete that prompt. You may see an authorization screen from Instagram or Meta asking for permissions, so Business Suite can access messages, publish content, and show insights. Review the details and continue. Granting these permissions is what enables all the management features inside Business Suite. After you finish, you'll return to the Instagram accounts page and should see the profile listed as connected. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check again. If you manage several Instagram accounts, repeat the same add process for each one. If the add button is grayed out or you get an access error, you likely need admin permissions in the business account, so ask an admin to adjust your role. That's it. With your Instagram connected to Meta Business Suite, you can schedule posts and stories, reply to DMs alongside Facebook messages, and review insights without switching apps. Thanks for watching and happy managing.